Wonderful swing day on US30 and US100. I told you multiple times, watch out for 12,300 and 31,700 on US100 and US30, and it may give you good swing. I have told you yesterday very clearly on the downside, same levels 31,200, 30 and 12,000 provided it a very strong support, or rather specified 31,220 if you recall in my cash US cash session analysis, and both achieved precisely. It is a I feel like a little bit proud and joyous when you see markets achieving precisely the same levels. At the same time, I feel more joyful when I see you all profiting. Now, missing on to subscribe this channel is definitely missing on to profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, and let's start the day with the help of charts and indicators. Let's try to find out what can be expected out of these two. First, we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Look at the US100 chart. It is stabilizing here, failing to go past 12,300. It is again trying to come back, and see it is trying to give you a trade like this. Pivot at around 12,150. Yes, it can drop till towards 12,150. Possibility exists. I will watch out for first target at around. See, first you have to wait out for 12,260. If it breaks below, then 12,200 is the first target. 12,150 and 12,100 are the targets. Below that, we may see it dropping again. Directional movement is diverging and it is bullish here. Stochastic is overbought here. It is looking downwards on the hourly charts. We can see a little bearish movement from now onwards. MACD trying to converge. RSI is at trading flat and near to top there on the 2-hour charts. See, consider this as reversal. If it trades beyond 12,300, stay long. Till the time it trades below 12,300, possibly we can see it hitting again till towards 12,250, 200 and then 150. 150 is the pivot level which it may try to achieve. See, 12,000, 12,300, 12,150. So it can strike these levels again. Only below 12,150 there will be bearishness today. Directional movement is still bearish. It is trying to converge crossover. Stochastic is overbought. Now may try to cool down a bit. The MACD is divergent and it is bullish. RSI trading flat, indicating that there is a equal chance for it to sustain either upside or downside. Look at the 3-hour charts, a stronger bullish candle there and a bullish engulfing. See these two candles trying to consolidate here, and if you see it trading about 12,300, stay long for 12,400 now. So just be cautious of this. On the downside, you can go short at 12,250 levels. Below that, 12,200 and 12,150. Likelihood of it achieving 12,150 is strong. See, it is trying to trade in this channel. It has seen the highs there, and if it reverses below 12,200 again, then you can further remain short for 12,150, and below 12,150 it will call for more bears out there. Trade accordingly. Breaking beyond and sustaining beyond 12,300, the bulls will be out and 12,400, 500 levels can be seen. Directional movement bearish trying to converge. Stochastic is now in the overbought zone. The MACD is divergent and it is still bullish. The RSI has come out of the oversold zone trying to trade with a flat note. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, see the 20 period moving average giving it a stronger resistance, and US100 abiding by the 20 period moving average. This time again the exponential 20 period is giving it a resistance. So yes, you can initiate a long entry about 12,300, but then expect 12,340 is the first resistance, and only if it sustains beyond this, you can expect 12,400 which is the immediate resistance. Then 12,450, 12,500 will come into picture. Till the time it trades below 12,500, you have to trail the stop loss there. 12,340, 12,400, 450 and 500. Watch out for these levels. And on the downside, yes, you can go short below 12,250, but then expect that 12,200 is going to be a very good support. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is again entering into overbought zone. MACD is divergent and it is still bullish. The RSI has come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortable. And on the daily charts, it has created lower highs there, trying to trade with drop. It may erase all the gains and drops further below. Yes, you can stay short below 12,250, and specifically only if it drops below 12,200 and 150 zone, you can consider that it is going to hit again the lows of yesterday at around 12,050, 12,000 levels. So maybe around those levels it can try to drop. If it drops below 12,150, further drop can be expected. Directional movement extremely divergent, extremely bearish. Stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of this oversold zone. The MACD is extremely bearish, trying to converge from here, and RSI is at bottom. Considering this, only buy entry today is about 12,300. Watch out for 12,340, 400, 450, 500. Till the time it trades below 12,500, you have to trail your stop loss. Only about 12,400 we can expect little bullishness there. Till the time it trades below 12,400, 500, we have to be very cautious. On the downside, go short below 12,250. Expect 12,200, 12,150. Watch out, 12,150 is the pivot level. Below 12,150, it will call for the bears, and then we can see another round of drop, taking it till towards 12,050, 12,000 levels. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trail accordingly. And yes, you can also learn the same art of reading the charts carefully and making profits when becoming a profitable trader. Join my mentorship batch, 15 days, 90 minutes daily. Lifetime support is what you get. And yes, also you can become a patron. The patron page site link, my telegram ID, my email ID is all mentioned in the channel and video description. My telegram channel link is also mentioned in the video and channel description. Do reach out to me, do join the telegram channel, do become a patron and support the effort. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 getting the resistance at 31,700. I have told multiple times, I am telling it again, only above 31,700 we may see bullishness. Till the time it trades below 31,700, you can expect it to drop. Now see 31,600, once it breaks, we can expect 31,550 and 500. These two levels you should watch out for. And see, it has seen a drop from 31,200 to 31,700. The pivot is right now situated at around 31,450 levels. So only if it breaks below 31,450, it will call for the more bear. See, it has given a strong break. These candles you should watch out for. It were getting a pushback from these levels. Now it is given a strong breakout. So possibly now 31,450 should be a good support. Directional movement is bullish, it is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards from here. MACD is bullish, trying to converge on the early charts. RSI is near to top, it is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, consider this as retracement. Till the time it trades below 12,700, you can 31,700, you can expect it to remain bearish. So just only watch out for 31,700. Only sustaining 31,700, we can expect little more bullishness there. The direction movement is trying to converge here. Stochastic is overbought on the 2-hour charts, may see a little drop. The MACD has seen a high, it can start to converge from here. RSI is comfortable and trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, see on the 3-hour charts, 2 red candles, and yes, if you see it trading above 31,700, just close your eyes, stay long, then 31,800, and in fact this time it can try to give you a high at 32,000 levels. 31,700, just watch out for those levels. On the downside, you can go short at 31,570. Below 31,570, expect it to drop for 31,500, and then below that we may see 31,450, which is a pivot level. Below 31,450, it will call for a drop. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is divergent and it's bullish. It is just 3 candles apart. RSI is trading flat and it is out of the oversold zones now. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see the bullishness is definitely diminishing. Look at these 2 candles. At the same time, this is also the channel high there. Yes, only and only it trades above 31,700. I will recommend you to go long. Then 31,800, good resistance. 32,000, the next target. Till the time it trades below 31,700, it has seen the channel highs. Yes, you can go short below 31,570. Expect 31,500 to be a good support, and below 31,500 it will call for a good drop for 31,450 and 400 levels. 450 is the pivot level. Below that we may see a very good drop for 31,300, 200 levels. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over. It is divergent. It is bullish. This is just 2 candles apart. We can see little more divergence there. RSI looking downwards again. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, a little green candle, and consider it as complete reversal. Once it trades below 31,450, we can expect it to drop more. So yes, only long entry today is above 31,700. That is very clear. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is oversold. It is trying to come out of the oversold zones. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is at bottom. Considering this, go long only if you see it trading above 31,700 levels. and then you can expect 31,800 as the first target, 32,000 as the next target. On the downside, go short below 31,700 31,570 580 zone, go short there at 31,570 580, expect 31,500 as the first target, 31,450 which is a pivot level. Below 31,450 we can see a good drop till towards 31,350 300 and then 31,200 and 100 levels. So take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.